Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern, travel-related Christmas poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. I have these colors, which I will be using in the design. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Apply the gradient to it. Select the first point from the gradient panel, and use the eyedropper tool to apply the color. Repeat this with the other point. And then change the gradient to radial. Select the polygon tool and click on the artboard. Set the sides to 3 to create a triangle. Add the white color to it. Go to the Object menu, Envelope Distort, then Make with Warp. Style to Arc, and follow my settings. Go to the Object menu and expand. Adjust it. Use the eraser tool, hold the Alt button, and erase it from the bottom. Use the Direct Selection tool and adjust the curve. Set the gradient. Then I have this airplane vector, and I place it on top of it. Draw a circle using the ellipse tool. Apply the gradient to it. Follow the settings. Change its blend mode to overlay. Copy the triangle shape. Paste it in front. Apply the black color to it. Right-click on it, arrange, and send backward. Increase its width. Apply the Gaussian blur to it. Set its opacity to 30%. Copy and paste again. Increase its width. Set its opacity to 15%. Copy and paste the triangle shape. Apply the gradient to it. Follow the settings. Decrease its width a bit. Select the star tool and draw it. Change its color. Then apply the radial blur to it. Place it in different positions. Copy the background. Paste it in front. Select all, right-click on them, and choose Make Clipping Mask. Now it's time to add text to the design. Follow the text settings. Then I have this text and logo, place them into the design. Finally, place the texture image into the design. Adjust it. Change its blend mode to multiply. And set the opacity to around 30%. Use the artboard tool, hold the Alt button, and drag to make a copy of the artboard. Then click on the Recolor button to change the colors. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.